What's up, internet? My name is Matt Gisantana. Welcome to the office where we discuss tech and the world around it. So over the last month or so, I've been looking for a good camera bag, something sleek, minimal, and versatile. And what I landed on is Peak Design's smallest bag, the Everyday Sling in 5 liters. I opted for the colorway of black. You can also get it in ash or even in sage. All colors look very great and they're very durable. I normally don't use camera bags because most of my time is spent here in the studio, but I knew I needed something, and with me having the capture plate by Peak Design, I realized that I might as well try out their bag as well, and I've been pleased with it. The bag is extremely durable. I threw it around, I was very rough with it, I didn't really baby it. It got dirty and it wiped off very easily. Without further ado, let's get to the bag itself. I want to cover the outside of it as well as the inside, and you can see everything that can fit. All right, so here we go. We have the Peak Design and the black colorway. This is the 5 liter version. As you can see, it's very compact, very slim. This is the nylon that I was talking about. That's very durable. You can see it's pretty dirty. You can see some dirt here and here, but overall, the bag is in great condition. Here is the weatherproofing zipper that runs along the top. Here's the Peak Design capture plate. Now, this is sold separately. This is what I also picked up. You can actually attach your camera to the side here and quickly take it off whenever you need to. So, all right, let's cover the front. Along the front, you have a slot here for your wallet or something thin. You really can't fit too much. It doesn't have space going up. It's just space going down. But you can fit, you know, passport or something thin like a wallet. That's what I put there. And as you see, the zipper is nice and secure. You can actually tuck it under there and it stays nice and secure. You can push it further in overall. So let's go ahead and get to the top part. So on the top, this is what you have when you first open it up. So they advertise this bag as being able to hold 1 mirrorless camera and 2 lenses, or 1 full DSLR and 1 lens. As you can see here, I have a mirrorless A6400 here. I have my 18 to 105 right here with a lens hood and lens caps. So you see here, you have the FlexFold dividers that you can like move around if you need to. You can also make different shelves and do different things with it. So if I need to, I can have 2 shelves here. Maybe if I had 2 prime lenses, I could probably fit them here if I needed to, depending on how small they are, of course. And you see right here on the side, you also have a nice little tiny little pocket here for accessories or cables or anything that you need. So let me show you how I have it packed. So I keep my 18 to 105 right here to my right. Got some Altoids. Here's my camera. And here's the Peak Design plate that you see here. So this allows me to attach it right here on the side. Trying to look through the camera, sorry about that. But you see, you can attach it here and you can just walk around with it on the side. It's very, very, very secure. If you ever need to get it, you just hit the button and pull it up. Sorry about that. And then right here, I got my Ray-Bans. Keep them right here. Always gotta have the Ray-Bans on deck. I need prescriptions, so gotta have those. And here's the 50 millimeter that I picked up recently, 1.8. This is actually a full frame lens, so it's not exactly 50 on my crop sensor camera, but it is still a great lens and it will help me get some sharp shots. It's 1.8 as well. All right, so right here on the side, I keep a little pocket knife. This is just in case, you know, you need to cut something, as well as here's a little tool bit. And you see the name. Yeah, you go. That's in your stabby right there. All right, so you put that there. Now you have this nice little pocket here in the back. It says you can fit a tablet back here. I'm thinking maybe like an iPad mini or something. Right here, right now, I just have my Pelican SD card cases and SD cards in there. I can obviously fit some more back there, but I don't keep anything right there right now. All right, so also you have this little Peak Design branding right here inside, and you have a nice little slot. This is where you can put, more accessories, batteries. That's where I chose to put some batteries. Also got a little camera camp token here. Shout out to the people who went to that. Still buzzing off of that event. That event was amazing. Some other swag I picked up at the event too. This is a cleaning cloth that they had at the Sony booth. Here's the tool to take the Peak Design plates on and off the camera just in case. I don't really need to, but I keep it in here just in case. And here is a cable to charge my camera just in case I need to plug it up to something. So that's all I have in the bag right now. You see I have plenty of space here. Again, with the FlexFold, you have a lot of options. So I can fold it back like this. So for example, if I needed to, this is why I like this bag. So let's say I had this over here. I could fold it down, and then let's say during a shoot, I need to put my lens up for a bit. So technically, I don't have to take my lens off my camera. I can throw it in the bag with the lens on it just temporarily. I just got to kind of relocate some things. But here's a little, and I can be on my way and keep going. It kind of adapts to your needs while you're out and about, which is great. This sling right here can go across your shoulders. You can also tighten it up to make it into like a fanny pack or a waist bag. So very versatile, exactly what I was looking for. It's very compact. It's about the, the width of maybe like a 13-inch MacBook Pro. So it's not too wide. And it's also not very, flamboyant or ostentatious. You can kind of blends in with this black color, and it also doesn't really look like a camera bag. It just looks like a fanny pack. So this has been my camera bag overview. I hope you enjoyed it. Also, I want to show you too, I forgot, this right here, you can actually run through this little slot, and you can bring it back over, and you can lock your bag so you can prevent people from getting into it quickly if you're traveling, out and about, and you want to make sure that your stuff stays safe. So hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions about the bag or anything that I have here, please let me know. Drop a comment down in the comment box. As usual, I appreciate your time. Thank you guys for watching. This has just been a quick video before I go on my photo shoot. Be sure to check me out on social media, Instagram and Twitter @MattGetSantana. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.